Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. Before starting today's lesson, we will do a quick recap of previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we started with the introduction of computer networks, and today we will summarize it in the form of statement, which is when we connected two or more computer devices together, or when we link two or more devices. For example, we are connecting computer with a printer, so we are connected two or more computer devices. Computer is a computer device, okay, and the second one is printer. This is also the example of computer device. So we are connected both of the devices together, okay. So this will build a network for us that is known as computer network, okay. So after that we learn about the different type of networks, that is LAN and WAN. The full form of LAN is local area network. The word here is local. That means it is used in the local area, means the small areas. For example, if we want to create a network in our school building or in our home, in a small businesses, so we will go to the LAN network, because this is the best ideal network for the local areas. So on the other hand, if we want to use the network, we want to build a network in a big company or a city, in a city or a huge area, then we use the WAN network. The full form of WAN is wide area network, okay. So after that we learn about the different example of computer networks. For example, we are connected computer with a network to make a simple network, and with the help of this computer network we will get the printouts, okay. And the second one we will learn, we learned in our previous lesson was we connected our computer to the projector, and then we can see the result output on the screen or a whiteboard. So this is also a simple computer network example. That's the recap, or that we learned in our previous lesson, and today we will we will do the question answer session of the chapter number 2. The question number 1 is how the simple computer network is made up of, okay. इसमें आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क हम कैसे, सिंपल कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क को हम कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी क्रिएट अ सिंपल नेटवर्क, ओके. सो द आंसर इज इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर कनेक्टेड डिवाइसेस. आपका जो नेटवर्क है वो किससे क्रिएट हुआ है? विद टू और मोर कनेक्टेड डिवाइसेस, okay, like computer, printers or tablets. When we connect more than one computer devices together to form a network, then it will be a computer network example. And the second question number 2 is what is the full form of ICT? What is the purpose of it? First you have to tell me what is the full form of ICT. I stand for information, and C stand for communication, and T stand for technology. So the full form of ICT is information and communication technology. There is and between information and communication, okay. The question number 2 is what is the full form of ICT? That is the half question, and the second half is what is the purpose of it, okay. So first we have to tell what is the full form of ICT, that is information and communication technology, and the second part of this question is what is the purpose of it, why we are using it, okay. So हम इसको use क्यों कर रहे हैं? As you see the full form, information and communication technology, so there are link between communication and information. We are using this for communication, to communicate with someone, to share information, like on WhatsApp we are sharing our pictures, our files to someone, okay. So we are sharing the information. This is the example of information. So we are sharing it, and we are communicating to each other with the help of video call, with the help of messaging. So it is also another kind of example. So basically the ICT is used It helps people to communicate, manage information, and perform different tasks using the technology. Okay, so which kind of technology? Means there are a lot of apps that are using for communication, for sharing information, like social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the other one. Okay, so by using these applications, these technologies, we are sharing our data with everyone. We communicate with someone. For example, and now I am recording this video lesson for all of you. Okay, and after that I will send or share it to all of your groups. So I am sharing this. So this is the real life example of computer networks, ICT. What is the purpose of ICT? Why we use the ICT? Okay, so I am sharing the information, I am sharing the video with all of you. So this is an example. This is the purpose of ICT, to share your information, to share your data to someone. Okay, with the help of technology. So so which technology I am using here? I use the WhatsApp groups. Okay, I am using the WhatsApp group with the help of internet. Without internet I cannot share anything. So I am sharing the information, I am sharing the video lesson to all of you with the help of WhatsApp groups. So this is the purpose of ICT. Okay, so this is the all explanation of the question number 2, and now we will start the question number 3, that is, what are peripherals devices? Okay, peripheral devices are the devices that are linked to the computer. Okay, from external world, means कि आपने कंप्यूटर के साथ बाहर से जो चीज़ें ऐड करते हैं, कनेक्ट करते हैं, these are peripheral devices that you are connected externally. ओके, नॉट दैट इज़ इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर, जो कंप्यूटर के इनसाइड में ना हो, कंप्यूटर के अंदर खुद ब खुद अवेलेबल ना हो, बट यू कनेक्टेड इट विद द कंप्यूटर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. ओके, दीज आर द एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस. फॉर एग्जांपल कीबोर्ड. ठीक है, यू आर कनेक्टिंग योर कीबोर्ड टू द PC. Okay, I am using the word PC here, not laptop. Okay, so with the help of wire you connect it with your computer. Okay, mouse, you are connecting your mouse with the PC. Okay, computer. And after that, printer is the example. Printer is also connected to the computer from the outside. So these are the external devices, that are connected to the computer. Okay, these are peripheral devices. Okay, so you have to tell me, can you tell me that is there any other devices that are external devices and work as peripheral devices? So if you know that, then write it in your copies and show me in your classrooms whenever you come. Okay, so this is the question number 3, and again I am telling you the peripheral devices are external devices that are connected to a computer from the outside of the world. Okay, from the outside world. ठीक है, जो कंप्यूटर के बाहर से कनेक्ट होती है, कंप्यूटर के अंदर कनेक्ट नहीं होती. These are the peripheral devices like a keyboard, mouse or a printer. So here is the question number 4, which is commonly used wireless technology. Okay, so first we will learn about what is wireless, what is the meaning of wireless technology. So wireless technology is the name of is the technology that is without any cable or without any wire. Okay, so they are asking which technology is the wireless. Okay, the first one is ऐसी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है वो वायरलेस है and it is very commonly used. ठीक है, वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि कौन सी ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो वायरलेस है और कॉमनली यूज हो रही है इन एवरी होम, इन एवरी स्कूल, इन एवरी कंट्री एंड एवरी सिटी. So this is so the answer is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that is commonly used in everywhere, every institute and every businesses, every country. Basically Wi-Fi, we just need to connect our mobile with the Wi-Fi. We don't need any wire to connect our mobiles with the Wi-Fi. So it is the example of the wireless technology. And question number 5 is which network that you have in your schools. So आपका जो स्कूल है उसके अंदर कौन सा आप लोग नेटवर्क यूज़ करते हैं? यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट योर स्कूल हैज़ द local area, means it is the small area, it occupied the small area of a city. Okay, so which network it will use, either it is LAN or WAN. So it will use the local area network because it is the small area. Okay, so where we want to build a network that if we want to build a network in the small areas, then we use the local area network because it prefers the small areas and it will work very efficient in an efficient way in the small areas. So that's why you are in your schools you are using the local area network. So the answer is my school has local area network, LAN. Okay, the full form of LAN is local area network. So this is the question number 5, and now the last question, question number 6 is write the difference between the wired and wireless network. Okay, so the question number 6 is write the difference between wired and wireless network. So इस क्वेश्चन में आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू थिंग्स. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन इन द सेंटर एंड राइट द वायर्ड एट योर लेफ्ट साइड एंड वायरलेस एट योर राइट साइड. So what is the meaning of wired network and what is the meaning of wireless network? So wired network is a network that is used that use the cables. Okay, because it is the wired network. Wired mean जहाँ पर आप क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं, केबल्स को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. दिस इज़ द वायर्ड नेटवर्क. सो वायर्ड नेटवर्क क्या करता है, इट विल कनेक्ट द डिवाइसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायर्स. ओके, ये डिवाइसेस को वायर के साथ कनेक्ट करता है एंड देन इट विल बिल्ड अ नेटवर्क फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू दैट इज़ नोन एज वायर्ड नेटवर्क. And the wireless network is the network that is not using any kind of wire or cables to connect the devices, जिसके अंदर हम किसी भी किसी भी केबल को या वायर को यूज़ नहीं करते अपनी डिवाइसेस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वायरलेस नेटवर्क. And the question is here, if we are not using any type of wire or cables to connect your devices, so how can they are connected? तो वो connect कैसे होते हैं एक दूसरे से? This is the main question. So these are connected, these devices are connected with the help of radio waves. Okay, so these ये devices आपकी connect होती हैं radio waves के help से. हम we are saying हम कहते हैं कि there is no signals for this नेटवर्क. ओके, इस नेटवर्क में आपका जो इन सिग्नल है वो नहीं आ रहे. तो वाई वी आर सेइंग द वर्ड सिग्नल हेयर, बिकॉज इट रिप्रेजेंट द रेडियो वेव्स हेयर. ओके, दैट्स वाई द वायरलेस नेटवर्क use the radio waves to connect devices instead of the cables. So this is the major difference between wired and wireless. Wired use the cables to connect the devices and wireless use the radio wave instead of cables. So these are the questions that we do in our today's lesson. So you have to do your you have to write your classwork on your notebooks. First you have to write the date and your end day, 9th May 2025 and Friday. And after that you have to write the unit number 2 and unit number 2 name, computer networks, and then you have to write topic, question, answer. And after that you have to write the question. Don't forget the margin line here. You must have to draw the margin line first. Okay, after that you have to write the question number 1. After writing the question you have to write the answer of the question number 1, and then same for question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and so on, question number 6. First you have to write the question in a proper lines, and after that you have to write your answer in proper lines. Okay, don't overlap your words, and please trim your pencils and do your work neat and clean. So it's time for a wrap up. So these are the questions that we learned in our lesson. Question number 1 is how simple computer network is made up of. कि आपका जो एक कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है, जो सिंपलेस्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है, वो कैसे क्रिएट होता है. सो इट इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय कनेक्टेड और लिंक 2 or more devices together. For example, if we connect computer with printer, then it will build a network. Okay, for taking printouts. So it is the basic simple computer network. And the second one is what is the full form of ICT, and this is the half question, and the second half is what is the purpose of it. ICT की फर्स्ट आपने बतानी है द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ICT, एंड देन आपने उसका पर्पस बताना है, व्हाई वी यूज़ द ICT, आपने ये बताना है. ओके, सो I stands for information and C stand for communication, so and T stand for technology. So its full form is information and communication technology. As you know about the full form of ICT, so there are the word information and communication. So it is something for communication and sharing information. That's why the basic purpose of the using the ICT is, if you want to share something with your friend, family, and with someone, so the technology that you are using is ICT, that is information and communication technology. Okay, and if you want to communicate, you want to send messages to someone, or you want to video call with someone, so you are using the technology that is ICT. And after that we learn the question number 3, that is what are peripheral devices. And we will, and as we already discussed, that these are the devices that are connected to the computer externally, means outside the world, that are these are not inside the computer, जो आपके कंप्यूटर के इनसाइड नहीं होती, बट यू कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, कंप्यूटर के बाहर से आप उसको कनेक्ट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर कनेक्टिंग प्रिंटर विद द कंप्यूटर, सो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, यू आर कनेक्टिंग इट आउटसाइड, बाहर से आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर के साथ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ एन एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस दैट इज़ कनेक्टेड टू कंप्यूटर, सो इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पेरिफेरल डिवाइस. Okay, and similar for USB, you are using USB, you insert it into the computer from the outside, आप बाहर से उसको connect करते हैं, so it is also the example of peripheral devices, because it is connected to the computer from outside the world. And the fourth one is which is the commonly used wireless technology. So here we discussed about first what is the meaning of wireless. Wireless mean how the devices, yet the technology that is not using the wire or cables, they are using radio waves. Okay, they are the technology or devices that are networks that are not using any kind of wires, they are using the radio waves to communicate or connect the devices with each other. So basic so the question is here is which is the commonly used wireless technology. So the commonly used wireless technology is Wi-Fi, that everyone is using here, everyone using in your homes, schools, colleges, and for doing your homeworks. And the next one, question number 5, is what is the difference between wired and wireless network. So the major difference between the wired and wireless network, as in their name, the word is wired, means that the network that is using the cables to connect the network devices are wired network, and the networks that are not using cable while they are connecting while these are the network is connecting the devices with each other, so they are using radio waves, so it is known as wireless network. And the last one is which network you have in your schools, कि आपके स्कूल में कौन सा नेटवर्क आप लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वन इज़ द लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, बिकॉज यू आर यूजिंग इट इन अ स्मॉल एरिया. सो वेन एवर यू आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द स्मॉल एरियाज network, then it will always be local area network LAN. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson, and your diary is learn question number 1 to 6, and after that when we will complete this chapter, there will be a test whenever you will come in your school. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much.